Good afternoon and welcome to a special event at a very special place. I'm standing here in the middle of Berlin on the historic taxiway of the former Tempelhof Airport. Behind me you can see the airport hangars, once the biggest building in the world. Today a perfect location for events. And Volkswagen's work on electric mobility already has some history here. In 2014, we celebrated our entry into the mobility of the future right here with Electrified Week. But let's jump into the hit and now. Volkswagen is achieving success with its ID family, a family that will welcome a fantastic new addition in just a few minutes. And I can tell you, this car is the perfect combination of dynamic driving fun and sustainable responsibility. But I don't want to give away too much now. See for yourself and have fun.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the world premiere of an amazing new Volkswagen, the ID.4 GTX. This is a very exciting occasion for all of us at Volkswagen. Obviously, we would have loved to share it with you in person here in the magnificent hangar of the former Berlin Tempelhof Airport. But as you know, the current situation doesn't permit that. And that's a great shame because we have quite a few things to celebrate today. The ID.4 has just been voted World Car of the Year. We are absolutely thrilled that our electric SUV has received this award. For one thing, the International World Car Award is one of the world's biggest, and for another, it's recognition of a great idea to make sustainable mobility accessible to all. In addition, Euro NCAP recently awarded the ID.4 with a 5-star rating, the highest possible safety standard for cars. Another amazing success. Therefore, I would like to take this opportunity to thank the entire Volkswagen team. They have been working so hard on our ambitious EV program and the ID.4. Well done. Ladies and gentlemen, the ID.4 is becoming a true world car. We will produce and sell this car in Europe, China and the US. This is of great importance for us because the rapid growth of our ID family is critical to advancing our fundamental corporate goal to be fully carbon neutral by 2050, our way to zero. This is our contribution to solving the greatest challenge of our time, the climate change. Volkswagen is on the way to carbon neutral mobility for all. This is the foundation of our new Accelerate strategy. We will make Volkswagen the most desirable brand for sustainable mobility. That's why we are accelerating even harder with our e-offensive, increasing our sales of electric cars in Europe to more than 70% by 2030. We are powered by our success. Around 80,000 ID.3s and ID.4s are already with their owners in Europe. Ladies and gentlemen, driving electric is just so much fun. It's extremely dynamic and sporty in the best way possible. Today, we are delivering the proof of that with the latest and most emotional member of our ID family. We demonstrate the amazing fit between e-mobility and intelligent performance. More of that now from my colleague Klaus Selmer.
Thank you, Ralph. GT. At Volkswagen, these two letters have always stood for that extra portion of performance and driving fun. By the way, 45 years ago, the GTI created a new and legendary vehicle, a category for entire generations. The GTD turned the diesel car into a hot hatch, and the GTE means performance in a hybrid. Now comes the GTX. The X forms the link to future mobility. GTX now stands for a new dimension of mobility. Sustainability and sporty performance are not mutually exclusive. GTX is the new Volkswagen sub-brand for the smart connection between electric and performance, fun and responsibility, technology and emotion. GTX brings even more passion into e-mobility. The future of sporty driving starts now. The GTX family will of course also grow fast and markedly. We have a surprise on that coming up. But now, clear the way for the first Volkswagen GTX, the ID.4 GTX.
Ladies and gentlemen, the ID.4 GTX, the sporty top model in our ID.4 range. The ID.4 GTX is the first ID with dual motor all-wheel drive. A true SUV with powerful propulsion and biting transaction on any surface. I couldn't stand upright on this ramp, but driving up, it is clearly not a problem for the GTX, which handles it easily. I'm certain that our customers will also have a lot of fun with the ID.4 GTX, making the most of its dynamic handling and intelligence performance. Its impressive safety features, excellent quality and premium feel add even more to its appeal.
Sitting down still, hearing the sound, waiting for my time to light up. Show them what we make, hard mind breakers, disruptors. Open them gates, bring it on, step on it till we're there. You know it's turning up. Bring the bright lights, spice big and shiny. Now see, we gotta be with the open guidance, open eyes. You will never interconnected. Can't see.
Ladies and gentlemen, clearly, every one of our ID models is fun to drive. And now GTX means feel the agility. One touch of the drive pedal is all it takes to experience full torque from both electric drives. And in every bend, you can sense the fabulous handling due to the low center of gravity delivered by locating the battery in the vehicle floor. The handling is simply amazing. With the GTX, we are really going for it. Thanks to the second electric motor at the front, thanks to the full power of up to 220 kilowatt, and thanks to the intelligent and efficiently controlled dual motor all-wheel drive. This SUV is a sports car, delivering acceleration from 0 to 100 kilometers in 6.2 seconds. I have already had the pleasure of using the car over long distances, and I can tell you, it's something to look forward to. It's a wonderful combination of Volkswagen values, like safety and outstanding performance. It goes without saying that we put a lot of work into fine-tuning the running gear. We are Volkswagen, after all. Simply put, the GTX is a GTI of the EV world. The 77 kilowatt hours battery delivers a WLTP range of 480 kilometers. At least as important so is a high charging power of 125 kilowatts. In the space of 30 minutes, you can recharge with enough energy for roughly 300 kilometers. And the innovative operating and safety concept is just as intelligent as its driveline. The driver is supported, for example, by the unique augmented reality head-up display, as well as the extensive assistance systems. The ID.4 GTX is always on and digitally connected, and not just with the WeConnect online services. Over-the-air updates keep the ID.4 GTX fully up to date in our customers' hands. What means to the customer, it's more to come. Our head, Joseph Caban, will now tell you all about how our newest ID shows its performance visually.
So, here it is. Powerful from the technique, but as well attractive from the design. The ID.4 GTX is standing for transformation from one elegant SUV to more sporty. And how we've done it, you can see immediately on the front. When you look the whole front area, you can recognize that next to the nice, beautiful eyes, we have as well 3 diamonds on each side, which are integrated from the honeycomb in the front, and it giving the car sporty character. It is the shape and as well the whole treatment of the front. And of course, as well, the proportions of the car, which makes the car sporty. It is standing on strong wheels, on big wheels, and we have as well here 21-inch wheel, which gives the car strong, robust character, but as well 20-inch as the GTX. We can see as well label, but what is nice, as well the color combination. The car is always in the dark combination with the body color always recognizable. But when we come to the back as well here, we have completely new bumper, we have completely new look. And of course as well here, nicely the GTX writing and as well the special treatment of the lights. When you look at them and of course as well when they brake, you can see and you can recognize the X. Yes, this car is attractive from the outside, but not only outside is important, of course, even inside. We played with materials, we played with colors, and even this car has beautiful quality treatment. When you look in, of course, it is blue color, which first come in your eyes. Then the right stitching, the red color, you know, giving the sportiness. And as well, of course, sport seats, the labeling on the seats, on the steering wheel. There's plenty of things what you can experience, and I think it is worth it. I hope you will enjoy it.
Thank you, Joseph. I'm already looking forward to seeing the first ID.4 GTX cars on European roads very soon. The ID family will, of course, continue to grow. It will happen soon, with more to come towards the end of this year. Our next ID is all about the elegance of flowing coupe lines. And naturally, this car will also come with a GTX version. Today you get an exclusive preview of our ID.5. Enjoy! Ladies and gentlemen, there is one thing you have truly witnessed today. We will tackle any and every incline, no matter how steep. We are working tirelessly on the way to zero for a climate-neutral future. We are rapidly rolling out our range of fully electric cars. With our new ID.4 GTX, Volkswagen offers sustainable mobility with emotional design and intelligent performance. Thank you for watching, take care and stay safe. Bye-bye.
Wow, that was fun. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Dynamic, fast, vibrant. A perfect match for our new ID.4 GTX. Responsibility and emotion are the two sides of this car, and every single trip with the ID.4 GTX is an experience and something to look forward to. It's a real shame that you couldn't be with us today here in Berlin-Tempelhof, but I keep my fingers crossed. It'll work out in a couple of months when our ID family welcomes its next new edition. Until then, stay safe and bye-bye.
Volkswagen.